calling the first comic, okay? Put your hands, you're welcoming Rupali Tyage.
And people are like, when they come to me that I'm a comic, they're like, oh, you're a comic? Very nice, very nice. So you go to all those late night open mics also? I'm like, yeah, of course I go. Then they're like, so your husband allows you to go outside the house? I'm like, yeah, after I allow him to come inside the house. He allows me to go. I don't know what is this pressure on women, guys. Do you guys agree? Yes. Like, we have women, give me a cheer if you think we have extra pressure. Like, yeah. So much of pressure of procreation. Not for recreation, that's for the guys. You know, जब भी मैं अपनी नानी के यहाँ जाती हूँ, she's always like, बेटा, अगली बार आओगी तो 2 से 3 हो क्या ना? 2 से 3. Now guys, she has to understand, we haven't done it earlier. And besides, it's not easy kidnapping people. The other day she was like, जब मैं तुम्हारी उम्र की थी ना, मेरे 5 बच्चे थे. And then she started counting कि नहीं, actually थे तो 9. 4 मर गए थे. Yeah, now how do I explain it to her? It's not the same word anymore. Yeah, it's not the same word anymore. What if I give birth to 9 kids and 4 don't die? Now I'm just left with 9 kids. And the only benefit of having a 9 is that it is divisible by 3. And guys, my Masi is another level. She's like, Rupali, if you don't give birth to a child, you will never know the joy of bringing a life into this world. And I'm like, by that logic, Masi, I also don't know the joy of taking away a life from this world. But I haven't killed you yet. और यार मेरे को तो बच्चे काफी नॉय लगते हैं. किसी है कि यहाँ पे बच्चे हैं किसी काफी दुखदाई. मतलब I was with my friends in their car और उनका बच्चा भी था साथ में. And the car bumped on a divider. तो suddenly मेरे मुंह से निकल गया, oh shit. And my friend looked at me with such anger. She was like, Rupali, don't say S-H-I-T. I'm like, fuck, did I just say shit? तो guys, मैं तो अपने पति को ऐसे convince करती रहती थी कि let's not have kids. And I used to give him all lame excuses to convince him. One day I was like, baby, what if I die during the process? Because women die during labor. Now suddenly he was even more convinced about having kids. Guys, but then we had this long discussion. Actually heated argument. But after this long discussion, both of us mutually decided that we don't want kids in our lives. I know it's a difficult decision, but to each its own, yeah? But then Huggies ad happens, in which the mother takes the cutest naked kid, turns him upside down, holds the bum, squeezes it a little, and leaves it like this, and the bum oscillates. Now I want that thing. But apparently you can't just have the bum, you have to have the entire baby with it. And guess what? These babies will grow and will not even show it to you anymore. तो मैं तो हर किसी से ऐसे पूछती रहती थी कि भैया तुम क्यों बन गए बाप, तुम क्यों बन गई माँ. So randomly, like one day a senior called me from college after 6 years and she's like, hey, do you have so and so's number? And I'm like, Rashmi, why are you a mother? And she's like, excuse me? I'm like, no, I really want to know, like, what if I become a mother now and few years later I repent and then there is no going back and it's irreversible, now I have a kid. She's like, calm down. She said, see Rupali. And guys, this is what she told me, $1 million answer. She said, see Rupali, this is not a yes and no simple answer. See, when you become a parent, in the first year of parenting, you will go through those sleepless nights. You'll be like, fuck this shit. But then the baby will learn to smile at you and be like, this is great. But then the baby will learn to bite you and be like, fuck this shit. But then the baby will go to school and make a card for you and be like, this is great. But then she will kick other kids and all the moms will come after you and be like, fuck this shit. But then she will win 100 meters race and be like, this is great. But then she will fail in a maths exam and be like, fuck this shit. But then she will grow into a beautiful teenager and be like, this is great. But then you will find her sleeping with a boy in your own house and be like, fuck this shit. But then she will go to college, become responsible, you'll be like, this is great. But then she'll find a job, she will not have time for you, never call. I'm like, hold on. How long is this answer? Because while you were speaking, मैं तो pregnant हो चुकी हूँ. take the plunge. We had to take the plunge. I became a mother of a baby girl. ना मत करो यार, इतनी खुशी की बात थोड़ी है. तुम लोग क्या करते हो? कभी कभी ना बच्चे ना होते नहीं है, हो जाते हैं. तुम्हें चाहिए नहीं था लेकिन भगवान ने दे दिया तो है तुम्हारे पास. But honestly, pregnancy has taught me so much about human body and human life. Like, I was in for my first scan at the doctor's place. And the doctor was showing us the baby. I was 1 month pregnant. And the doctor was like, this is your baby. And all that we could see on the screen was this black tiny dot. And my husband got all emotional. He's like, oh my God, a baby is beautiful. And I found it ugly and disturbing. तो मैंने बोला हाँ तुम ही पे तो गया है. And these days, guys, have you noticed there is an app for everything? Yeah, there is an app to help you with pregnancy also. It is telling you how your baby is growing every day. Today your baby is size of a grape. Today your baby is size of an apple. Today your baby is size of a banana. And now I'm so scared of watermelons. मैं मजाक नहीं कर रही हूँ, मैं सैलेड देख के ना थोड़ी मदरली सी होने लगी हूँ कि ये तो मेरे बच्चे जैसा है. This is not kidney bean, this is my little bean. And this app also tells you what's growing in your baby every day. कि आज spine बन रहा है, आज brain बन रहा है, आज fingerprints बन रहे हैं, आज fingernails बन रहे हैं. So I was watching Sacred Games. And my husband was like, why are you watching this violence? इससे हमारे बेबी पे बुरा असर पड़ेगा. मैंने कहा यार आज तो स्पाइन बन रहा है, ब्रेन तो कल बनेगा. तब तक कुक्कू को गाय तुंडे के साथ एंजॉय कर लेने दो. Guys, I'm joking about it, but I had a very high risk pregnancy. Premature delivery का काफी खतरा था क्योंकि बच्चा एकदम नीचे आ गया था. So basically the kid was sitting at the exit. तो मुझे तो पता है ऐसे स्टैंड अप करते हुए बहुत डर लगने लगा था कि कहीं आज लाफ्टर के साथ बच्चा भी ना मिल जाए. And like you know, when you're a woman, I feel we go through so much of intrusion in our life, not just emotionally, physically, but also medically. You know, I went through all these intrusive procedures. One of them was this transvaginal scan, and I was really uncomfortable, guys. I was really uncomfortable. And then I see this male doctor walks in. Now I'm even more uncomfortable. And I think he sensed my discomfort. So this is what he told me, guys, to make me comfortable. He said, don't worry, beta. I'm like your father. मैंने कहा अंकल वही तो प्रॉब्लम है. And guys, I have a problem with Bollywood. Bollywood has no understanding of a female body. Bollywood में देख रहे हो क्या चल रहा है? Bollywood में बंदा बंदी पहली बार करते हैं, पहले दिन करते हैं, अगले दिन बंदी पहुंच जाती है मेरे पेट में तुम्हारा अंश है. जबकि पता है रियल लाइफ में कितना मुश्किल है. There are only 3-4 days where there is the highest probability of conceiving और आपको पूरी कायनात एक करनी पड़ती है कि आज तो करेंगे ही करेंगे. पहले तो ऑफिस में बॉस को झूठ बोलो. बॉस इज ऑल्सो लाइक आज इतना जल्दी कैसे? फिर बहाने मारो सर को मेरी गैस की डिलीवरी नहीं हुई थी ना लास्ट मंथ. बॉस इज ऑल्सो लाइक तुम्हारी 1 साल से नहीं हो रही गैस की डिलीवरी. फिर पूरे रास्ते मूड बनाते हो, आओ हर भिखारी को भीख दे रहे हो, मुस्कान भी दे रहे हो, और फिर थक के घर पहुंच रहे हो पसीने से लथपथ और सोचते हो अब तो करना ही करना है, करना ही करना है, करना ही करना है. और फिर याद आता है ओ शिट, आज तो इनकम टैक्स रिटर्न भरने की आखिरी डेट है. और अब आपको चुनना है कि पिता बने या अच्छा नागरिक. और गाइस लाइफ में आपने देखा है कि हमें ज्ञान कितना मिलता है हर स्टेज पे. Especially if you are a woman and especially if you are a pregnant woman. Like, you know, when I was 7 months pregnant, there was this uncle who used to give me so much gyan. One day he comes to me and he's like, Beta, I think you should start talking to the baby already. इससे ना तुम्हारा बेबी के साथ बॉन्ड बन जाएगा पहले से. Now I was 7 months pregnant. I had a huge bump. The baby was already in the head down position. उसे मुझसे बॉन्ड बनाने में कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है अभी. उसे लाइफ में भसड़ चाहिए ही नहीं. वो तो सोच रहा है कब बुलंद दरवाजा खुले और मैं निकलूं बाहर. फिर भी उन्होंने इतना इंसिस्ट किया तो मैंने सोचा मैं बॉन्ड बनाती हूँ. I was 7 months, I had a huge bump and I had to talk to the baby. So I was like, shh. क्या लगता है आएगी इस बार मोदी सरकार? And guys, now that I'm a mother, अब मुझे एक अलग ही ज्ञान मिल रहा है. अब वो अंकल मुझे आके कहते हैं बड़ा बच्चे को ना देखते देखते बड़े हो जाते हैं, बड़ा बस देखते देखते बड़े हो जाते हैं. अब तुम देखना तुम्हारी बेटी ना 2 महीने में पलटेगी। मैंने कहा अंकल इसको ना जरा स्लो मोशन में सुन लेते हैं। ये बच्ची 2 महीने में बस पलटेगी। मतलब फॉर अ मदर इट्स अ पेनफुली स्लो प्रोसेस। फॉर फादर्स देखते देखते, क्योंकि वो ऑफिस गए, ऑफिस से देखते देखते बच्चे बड़े हो गए। हमारे तो चल रहा है देखते 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 देखते। ऐसे तो दुनिया में सब कुछ देखते देखते ही चल रहा है ना। कल को पोलर बियर आके कहने लगेंगे और देखते देखते सारे ग्लेशियर ही पिघल गए, पता ही नहीं चला। And I don't know guys if this has happened with you, like after I've become a parent now, I have just stopped enjoying horror movies. I don't enjoy horror movies anymore because I'm not scared at all. अब मुझे डर नहीं लगता। Like I saw The Nun the other day and I was like, this is not scary. This is not horror. कोई अचानक से तुम्हारे पीछे से आ जाए, that's not horror. कोई अचानक से तुम्हारे नीचे से आ जाए, that is bloody horror. Thank you everybody. That has been my time.